Kamal Khattib. Je m'installe à côté d'Abdelrahim Ghani à Amsterdam. Je supporte la protestation de la Chine et du régime du Est-Turkestan. Est-Turkestan a été coupé par la Chine en 1949. Les Romains Axignan, d'une longue décade, Est-Turkestan il a été oppressé, discriminé et persécuté par la Chine gouvernement. Surtout leur culture, le language et la religion. Depuis 2016, la Chine gouvernement envoie plus de 3 millions de personnes en rééducation contre concentration infecte. Dans le monde actuellement, le peuple dans les camps arbitrairement détenus, torturés et incarcérés. Des subjects de l'humiliation dénoncés par les ethnies, identiques à la religion arabe. Ils ont été violés et tués. Nous espérons que le monde entier proteste contre la Chine du gouvernement. Nous demandons que les personnes, French sometimes, you know, some words, you know, justement de parler du génocide du XXIe siècle. Le monde accepte l'existence de concentrations de camps. Nous demandons au peuple de supporter Abdelrahim Ghani de protestation chinois du régime Est-Turkestan. You know what you have to do? When you have to do, you have to take one newspaper and then they can do the text, make the video. This is nothing. Because, you know, okay, everybody tells something, you know. That's not a resolution. The resolution you have to really to stand up. You have to go there. There is many places, you know, what you can make one video and explain everything and do it on the TV. Go out on the TV, everybody sitting in the house, they see the documentary, you know.
Yeah, they can watch the documentary in the YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to talk about something.
I understand. You know, the problem from the Chinese, the Chinese, everybody then back to the Chinese, even my country. All Africa is only Chinese. You know, Chinese business, Chinese factory, Chinese this, Chinese that, you know what I mean? In the 60s, Chinese have nothing, have bicycle, yeah? People, they look in the economy, in the pocket, they're not care if they kill millions of people. They don't care. I know. You try to do the best, that I know, you know, but the difference is the people, they have no time for that anymore. You know, look at the problem of Palestine. 70 years. Look at the problem of the Arab country now. There is no country anymore. Iraq is kaput. Afghanistan is kaput. Libya is kaput. Syria is kaput. Yeah? And the Muslim...
Next time China is kaput.
And the Muslim then they do not. I don't think so. We hope, but I don't think so. I want, but it's difficult. You know, people, they look for the money.
I hope China's kaput. I hope.
China kaput is difficult.
I
was in the border. I was in the border of China because I was in the Himalaya. You know. You know, I was in I was in Himachal Pradesh. You know, Karakoram. Yeah, I was near there. Yeah, I was in. I come in India. 68. I was in India there. You know, but for the Hindi government, the military, we may not cross because they are problem with India and China for the borders. There's problem. Still now is problem, yeah?
I showed you apart this famous Uyghur people.
Yeah, I see them, yeah. I see them, yeah. You know, they're not take only the intellectual, they don't care. They prefer to take intellectual, you know why? You know? Because they want to stay people stupid. They have to stay stupid. You know, no education. You know what I mean? They like when you have no education, you know what? Like that they can sit on you. If you're clever, they have problem.
Yeah, this is all clever people. All
Yeah, I know.
professors, all
Yes,
clever,
in my
high
country-
education people.
In my country, we have the same problem before with the French.